DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
Gang, what's good, you gang? You already know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang, that's what we are doing today, man. Yeah, man, anytime in the lab, you don't know, say, mad reaction in a dog, bad tune you there with, you know. You see me, I'm there with the artist, no stranger to the channel. You see me, I say, react to him many times over here. You see me, I say, very lit artist. When I be the biggest Trinidad artist, I think, well, Prince Wani right now are the biggest Trinidad artist, but he's a dancer artist. He's Jamaican, but he's from St. Kitts. You already know we are talking about there with Byron Messia. The one I name, oh God. And it's good to see Byron Messia back to dropping after the whole little controversy he was going. I'm glad to see that's not really stopping him. And that blew off fast, you know. You see me, compared to like back in the day that would stick around, that blew off fast. People forget about that. So Byron Messia is back to dropping, so I check it out and swear dog I deal with the one I name, oh God. You see me, I say now we'll be vibe much longer, gang. Just get it.
Shot in the inside, fuck the next side. Ready for make dry rifle bands, fuck up on the right and left fire.
This looks like a whole tune, man, in just a release. From the visuals, I'm guessing.
I mean, I left mine, catch them outside, I enjoy them best life. One kid.
Yeah, cause that's Byron with his old jewelry and his old, isn't it? Just been make.
Lift up every time, make it breeze off. Tell some pussy what we not tree laugh. And the men's are tree by gun.
Yeah.
Tree bad girl to the back of portal.
Yeah.
A liquor juvenile.
Leave up every time, make it breeze off. You see, make some fussy no say, yo, we not too like that, dog. Come in.
I mean, I left mine.
I left mine.
I enjoy them best life.
Catch them outside and enjoy them best life. Alright.
One Kirby. Lift up every time, make it breeze off. Tell some pussy what we not tree laugh. And the men's are tree by gun. Tree bad girl to the back of portal. A liquor juvenile in a uniform, make a 35 year.
Come, liquor juvenile in a uniform, I come fly your back dog that are going.
Girl to the back of portal. A liquor juvenile in a uniform, make a 35-year-old man a speed off. The taxi will leave yellow tape, leave charcoal.
Licky juvia come for your dog, Jaja. Hey.
But the female that me same gun. Oh God, all of me ups them dead off. Knock it on a 7 and take off.
Jaja, what I have to knock it on a 7 and that you deal with, hey.
You call it off. Oh God, all of me ups them dead off. Pan concrete them spread off, boy head take off.
All of me ups them dead off, pan concrete them spread off. Oh, I'm tear man, they will take off. You see me? Yeah man, do the dash. You see me and say, yeah man, they can't catch funny scene.
Pussy hold it too late. If I pitch up and make it waste like you feel. Yeah, 15 shells no flight loose change. So make a pussy caviar like me suitcase.
And say, here are 15 shells enough like loose change. Come in, man. Come in, man.
Girls badness, them pussy fake. For real, fucking up a game. Team B make you use the blaze. No pussy can't touch me Gucci chain. When me a chill a rose me villain. 7.6 to
Why can't touch your chain, that's enough to talk it, eh? Easy no Byron.
Kinda sell membrane and it a fall like extra vein. The amount of dope how we make with it for my money. Me have a temper vein, knock it on a pussy for me shank a jail. Elevates not a gear, but not queer, not a chill bang.
Easy. Alright, Byron, I try to chop on the owner. Come in now, man. What a dope you make when I remember name. You see me killing them but not crave. Hey,
I will fly like the people them up on a plane. Papa done pussy make it sing like shatter whale. Oh God. All of me ups them dead off. Knock it on a 7 and take off. Would you call it?
Knock it on a 7 and take off. Jesus.
Oh God. All of me ups them dead off. Pan concrete them squared off. Boy head take off.
Yo, who hold it up for 7 right now, dog? You see me? Cause you got Prince Wani and you got Byron. You see me? Holding it, and you got Cayman. You see me, I'm saying, I have a couple of others holding it down for the 6. But Plumpy was meaning the guy holding it down for the 7. I want to hold it for 7 now.
Trigger squeeze blood a leak. Them nah push no badness, I must push a teeth. Them can't catch me at me house, me the bush asleep. I wait for me enemies, we pull up like a Uber Eats. One full clip in a your
wait for you if you pull up like Uber Eats.
Yes, I saw me kill a do it. I'm still a banging line, I'm still a thief. Shake up past the Hennessy buckle and the Dan Hulu. See the ecstasy, Papa Pace. I saw me feel.
Papa ecstasy, dog. I pop pill to burn.
All of me ups, them dead off. Knock it on a sim and take off. You 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. All of me ups, them dead off. Pan concrete, them squared off.
Easy now, man. The one I dog has a blow thing there too. So, the whole thing there, what am I say? A whole thing there, a whole memorial for the apps. You see me I say?
Boy, head take off.
Ooh, bad.
Man. See me yeah, man, gang, let me know anything about the one day. You see me, Byron Messia, the one named Oh God. This was actually requested by one of the Dan Mafia members. You see me I say? This was requested by one of the Dan Mafia members. Let me give them a shout out. Let's me, because they've been waiting on for me to do this one. Where's that? Where's that? Let me get your shout out again. Man, I say, you know how long me wait for you to do Byron Messia? Hold on. Where you at? Let me get the dog in shout out, man. You see me I say? One moment, please. Yo. Where is that? And I want to give you a shout out again. Yeah, I accidentally liked the little thing and it disappeared. But damn, you know who you is, man. Next time I give you a shout out, okay? My bad. That's what I said. Damn, you been waiting on this one. Damn, bro. Yeah, man, gang, drop in the comments. Let me know what your favorite part is. If you like it, definitely go show out to some of our support. Make you know say Jambisco and Seno. Use me and say, gang. Yeah, make you know say, yo, show some love and support. Yeah, let me know your favorite part is beat, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Yeah, and drop a request so you can get your shout out, even though I can't find. Yeah, bro, the first that request is oh my gosh. Where's that? Damn, bro. Alright, gang, drop your comment. Next time I'll give you a shout out. My bad. You already know what time it is, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. The most important part, each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.